Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to remove a door panel on a 3000 GT. I'll be doing this on my 98 VR4, but it will be the same for all years and models. We're going to start with the two screws on the side of the speaker. There's a plastic cap covering them, so you have to pry them off. Be careful because it is attached on one side. Next is the screw in the vent hole. This is located in the top corner. Then remove the screw for the door handle trim. Slightly lift the handle and slide the trim piece out. Next, we have two screws on the edge of the door panel. Now we can remove the lower trim piece. There is one screw holding it in. Pry out the two tabs near the smaller end. Then you can slide back and take it out. Here's a look at the back side. Now we can remove the last two screws. Gently lift up and pull out the door panel. It can be a little tricky to clear the door handle. There are two connectors on the back, one for the light and one for the switches. Disconnect those and the panel will come right out. Please subscribe and comment if you guys want to keep seeing 3000 GT content like this.